Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one of my favorite videos because it's time to go ahead and share with you what planners I'm going to be using for 2023. Now, to be honest with you, besides planner lineups, I also love doing planner setup videos. And so I'm going to be breaking these videos up into parts. So this video is all about what planners I'm going to be using for 2023. And then maybe the next video, I'll show you how I'm going to be setting up each planner. So one of the things that I like to do is go ahead and already brainstorm like the planners that I want and how I'm going to be using them. So I have them already like planned out. And so here are my planners here. So I think it's time to go ahead and share with you what planners I'm going to be using for 2023. All right, so first in my lineup is going to be my B6 size Undated Sadies stickers planner. This is going to be used for journaling. I like the cover, and also the covers also come interchangeably where you can kind of easily take them on and off, which I absolutely like. And so when you get in the inside, I like that you get like this nice vellum you can decorate, which I'm probably going to do that as well. And then we have This Planner Belongs To, where you get to put your name. And then I have 2 years at a glance. Now I purchased this planner in 2021, but I didn't know what I want to do with it. And so I'm glad that it's undated because I can start when I want to. Now, because this is a 12-month planner, it does come with 12 of these smaller boxes that I am thinking about using maybe for like monthly journal prompts, or maybe doing like 3 highlights in here in these boxes, just kind of keeping up with some things and events in here. So I like that. All right, and so this section is actually going to start your monthly sections, and the monthlies are also undated, very neutral. And what I like about it is that after the 12 months, you do get 5 weekly spreads in between, and the tabs does come laminated, which I absolutely like. Easy to kind of, put tabs in there or stickers to just kind of notate your monthly spreads and start whenever you like. I think I have enough room to kind of do maybe like some note keeping at the bottom as well. If I want to do monthly journaling with some goals, I can definitely do that. And within the weekly spreads, it is a vertical layout. So I think that just gives me enough room to kind of write down some highlights because I don't journal a whole lot or write a lot in my journals already. And so I think that this size is going to really help me do some journaling and be able to add some stickers in between just to kind of get things out of my head. So this is what this Sadie Stickers B6 planner looks like. Of course, it's undated. You can use it for planning. I am going to be using it in this 2023 lineup as my journaling planner. So I've also purchased some B6 sticker kits also to help me plan for my monthly, as well as a few of my weekly spreads in here. But I'm definitely on the search for more B6 size sticker kits. And now toward the back of this B6 size planner, it does come with these dot grid pages on the back. The very back you get quite a few actually of these dot grid paper. And what I can tell you guys, one of the reasons why I want this planner was because of the paper. It's thick, it's great because you get minimal ghosting and bleed through the pages. And so this is my journaling planner for 2023. So next in my lineup is going to be the mini happy planner in the dashboard layout. And this is going to be used as my on-the-go planner. You guys know, if you don't know now, you know, I love dashboard layouts. I am going to be probably changing out the disc in here, giving it a bigger size, but I absolutely love the dashboard layout. So one of the reasons why I wanted this type of layout is because it gives me a glance of the week on one page, and also I can write some other things like to-do lists, grocery lists, and some other things I want to keep up with on that left hand side, which you'll see in a minute. This is a 12-month planner as well, so it is dated. And so this is what I'm talking about right here. You have a task section, important, and then look ahead section. And then here is the week, the whole week at a glance that I can write in. So in this planner, I am going to add different little sections in here as well to make this turn into a full-on-the-go planner that is going to have 4 sections for notes, goals, and some other sections in there while I'm on the go. I do like the currently pages in here as well. They're also neutral, but I can definitely do a whole lot with this as well. Instead of looking through my monthly, I can put important events and dates in that currently section as well. And so this is what it looks like. I am going to be putting a cover that is going to be able to fit inside of my purse that I carry all the time. And so I just like this size because it is going to be, it's a nice portable size. It's not too big, it's not too small, and I have it where I'll be able to put everything in here and treat it as my wallet. So this is my on-the-go planner for 2023. All right, next in my lineup is also going to be a dashboard layout in the Happy Planner Classic size. And this planner is going to be used as my catch-all / home planner. And this is a deluxe planner because it comes with those beautiful gold metal discs, which I'll probably keep on there. I'm trying to decide if I want to change out the cover, but I do like the floral color cover on here, so I may keep it. I don't know. But you get the 2 years at a glance here, and then you get your perpetual calendar, which I absolutely like this page as well. And so this is going to be my catch-all. This is what the currently looks like. I like the currently because you have your monthly goals and some other information you can put on there. And then I love the dividers as well. The monthly section, this planner is dated as well, but this is a much bigger size from my mini dashboard layout. Like I told you, I love dashboard layouts, but I've used this before as a catch-all / home planner, and I think this is going to work again for me this year. So I'm not going to be doing too much changes to this planner and the layout, so I'm going to keep it as is, but you guys are going to see the setup where I am going to set this up and how I'm going to be categorizing each section or each month and each week to make it full on a home planner. But this is going to keep up with everything from notes, home, cleaning, school, schedules, field trips, all those things is going to keep in this planner. So I can't wait for you guys to see this setup. And so this is my catch-all / home planner for 2023. All right, so my last planner in this lineup is going to be the classic Happy Planner in the horizontal layout. I am going to be changing out the disc and as well as the covers. I may use the covers as different dividers because I am going to be franking planning this planner with something else, but you will definitely see what that's going to be in my setup video. And this planner is going to be used as my social media planner. Now, I have used this horizontal layout as my social media before, and I loved it. And so I want to give it a try because I've been using the dashboard layout as my social media planner, but I absolutely love the horizontal, and I want to go back to using it as my social media. So we're going to see how that goes. And so this as well is a 12-month planner, and I'm going to keep up with a few sections in here for my social media as far as goals, projects, list, and some other stuff in here. But I am going to be adding another layout to this to make it a franking planner, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what that setup video looks like. Now, I do like this planner because not only of the layout, but also because of the dividers. They are really cute, and I love floral. It has like little touches of florals and butterflies, so I am going to kind of keep that element, and I'm going to try to tie in a pretty cover, my main cover, to go well with the tabs or the dashboards. So I finally have my 2023 planners all lined up. And so I do hope you come back for more tea time, because in the next video, I'm going to be setting up my mini Happy Planner that I'm going to be using as my on-the-go planner. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that this video inspires you to decide on how you can create your own planner system or start your own planner journey. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.